Hello everybody, today's 2020 Hot Wheels International K-Case unboxing is brought to you again by A&J Toys. They sent a big box with this one, the International case, and with this one over here, the US K-Case. We already opened the US case, now it's time to open the International case, and we're going to do it outside once again while the weather is beautiful. I have a delicious beverage right here. Take a sip of that. And let's open up this International K-Case. US case we've already done. Don't want to knock over my beverage. And really what we do here with this is, you know, we get to look at the cars again, but we also see if there's anything different. We got the regular treasure hunt, not the super. Usually if I'm going to find a super treasure hunt in a case, it's going to be in the US case. Very rarely is it found in the International case. It's happened, but I'm already seeing it right there. So we're going with the International case as well. I'm already seeing that the distribution is a little bit different. I know we only got one of these, but I see two already. So let's just see, at least with the good stuff, what we've got. So we start with the Humvee, Honda Prelude, and the Lamborghini Sesto Elemento. I'll move through these a little bit quicker than I did the US case because we've already seen the models. Audi RS Coupe in black, like it with the MC5 wheels on there. There's the Jeep Gladiator and the Night Dragon. We're looking for differences really here. We did get two Porsches and a Honda in the last one. We do it again. This time the Honda's sitting in between the Porsches. I know this, right? Because I remember that last video I filmed with the US case because I filmed it like 2 minutes ago. But we're spreading these videos out between the cases, right? Modern technology, right? Magic. 68 Shelby GT500, the Velocita, and the Lamborghini Sesto Elemento. Honda recolor from the last case. Croc rod, couldn't tell you what case that's from. Plymouth Fury, Honda NSX, or Acura NSX, I should probably get that right. And then the Velocita. Another Honda. This one I said was one of the big highlights from this case. I mentioned it was the Audi R8 and the Big Air Bel Air. I forgot about this one, the 300ZX in Police, because it's got the full deco. That one is a big, big winner for me. And then there is the 57 Chevy. If it were Inspector Flame, pink or red, it would be the Super Treasure Hunt. But it's not. 49 Ford F1 from the Legends. There's the Shelby GT500, and there's your regular Treasure Hunt, which we already talked about. With its red and pink grille, and then a bunch of other colors, and there's the regular treasure hunt symbol right there on that one. BMW and the Beat-All. Mustang, Centenario, and the Batcopter. So here's one of the only differences so far. Another 41 Ford, have no idea what it replaced. Lamborghini Centenario again, and the HW450F. And then the final group of the first 36. BMW Z4, Jag X ESV Project 8, dig, that one, and then the Ford Mustang. Let's look at the next 36. Hopefully, like the last case, there are two Audis. Yep, want to see that. We want to see a couple of Bel Airs. Yeah, we'll look and see if they show up. Manga Tuner, the the Velociraptor. That is funny. It does look like a dinosaur riding a motorcycle. And the La Fasta. Electra Silhouette and two Custom Autos. Interesting to see that. I think this assortment is actually quite similar. Range Rover Velar. Dig that one. Dog saying hi. 69 Camaro. Two of those. I think there was one in the last case. Roger Dodger 2.0, and then this new Grand Cross, which is kind of cool. Did notice. I wonder if they've always done. I just pulled this aside. I haven't noticed that Mattel symbol before. Has that been there with the International cases? It's not on the US cases. I wonder if that's new. You know what? Not all of them have it. That's very interesting. Only some have the Mattel symbol on them and others don't. Don't know what that's about. I don't know, kind of interesting. Yeah, see, like, well, you'll see. There's your Bel Air. Velociraptor does have it. All three of these have the Mattel symbol on it, including the Bel Air, which is just fantastic. Dig, dig, dig it. And then these do, yeah, maybe that's new for the K case, because this from the, but then the US case with the new stuff in the K case didn't have it. Who cares? We'll figure it out. It's not like a huge mystery, right? Some have the Mattel symbol, some don't. And I don't think it means anything. All right, there's your Audi. Nice to look at that one again, because how cool it is. Toyota is back with the Tundra and then the Too Tough. Bone Shaker and the fantastic Audi R8 Spyder once again. Manga Tuner. There it is, the Datsun 620. Such a big fan. JDM Legends truck right there. The actual shop truck. You can look it up. It's based on that one. And then there's another one of the Big Air Bel Air. Classic cars here. Like the Plymouth Fury. Like the wagon, the Nova Wagon Gasser. But there's the highlight. The Toyota 2000 GT. Making its triumphant return to the Hot Wheels main line. Great, great casting. Debuted as a Super Treasure Hunt unofficially. There's a story there. I'll tell it later. Custom 01 Acura Integra GSR, another wagon Gasser, another Acura. And to finish it off in this very, very quick unboxing, two Chargers once again, 71 and the 69 all together, and then this fantastic Mercedes-Benz A-Class, which looks great. That is a quick unboxing. International K case. You guys tell me what you think. A little light on the new stuff, but the new stuff that it did do, the Big Air Bel Air and the Audi R8, at least this new stuff that's relevant to us, I think is pretty darn good. So from that perspective, a good case, but there's a lot of repeats there. The J case was so loaded with the Prelude and things. So there you go. You guys tell me what you think. We have now knocked out two unboxings, US and an international case, and we'll move on to the L case as soon as I get it. But in between, I got a ton of cool stuff to show you. Thanks, everybody. Bye.